Welcome to the 4th episode of IKEA Home Stories. Today we'll be visiting Trishna, who's from Pune. She lives with her husband Abhishek and their 2-year-old daughter Ira in a 2 BHK apartment. We are here to give their living room a fresh new look. So come, let's take a look at their home story.
Hi, I'm Trishna.
Hi, I'm Abhishek and this is our daughter Ira.
We both are architects. We work full time. This is our living room. So we spend a fair amount of time as a family together. Ira loves to play, loves to draw. She just goes all around the living room, pulling out all the toys, ransacking everything. So we have a happy mess here. So what it resulted in is that the space just looks like a kindergarten. And it doesn't look mature enough for us.
And now what is happening is we want to have friends over, we want to start meeting people. There is nowhere for anyone else to sit. And we also have to remember that this is her primary space even after that.
We wanted to discipline her when she sits and eats. So we wanted a dining space within this space as well. Since the space was small, our table is small, so we could only fit 2 chairs and we couldn't fit the third one. So what happens ultimately is that Ira sits with my husband and I then have to sit on the sofa. We want a table where all 3 can sit together and share a family meal. Another challenge that we faced is we do have a small balcony attached to the living room, but there's hardly any room or any space for us to sit, relax, enjoy the balcony as it is. In the evenings, once I come back or close my work and Ira is home, she's very happy, very joyful, runs around, dances around. She loves dancing and we all enjoy. We like music together. We like to see her dance. We like to see her try to sing over here. We want that flexibility in the space. We want her to have her space, us to have our space, and together as a family, a whole living room together, So when I got the call from IKEA that they have selected our entry, I didn't believe it at first. And I was so happy to know that, they are interested in helping us out with the solution. And after the initial online meetings, Team IKEA did come here and they looked at our space, they understood our space, and they've been very cooperative with us on that front.
So now that we know all about Trishna's family and the problems they face in their space, let's go and take a look at some solutions for them. We want to have some relaxing and dining space.
So let's go to ikea.in.
I really want to see how they've managed everything in a tiny space. I know it's tiny.
And I'm the most curious to see how Ira is going to react.
Hi guys.
Hi.
It's time for revelation. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Very.
Okay, so I have a blindfold, so don't remove it until we're there.
Wow!
That's complete.
This is gorgeous. You have managed to fit everything. Oh, look at the frame. Oh, this is amazing. We are getting multiple set of tables. Yeah. So we can move it around when our friends are over. That is so perfect for her scale. She has her own side. I mean, she loves reading books. So yeah, now she has her own chair. She'll be so happy about this. Ira can run around everywhere without any interruptions. It's not cluttered. It have the mature touch. There's a tray, the clip-on. I mean, it's handy, it's there.
Just the fact that there are so many horizontal surfaces to keep things, that itself is going to improve the quality of life.
There's a lot of storage space for me to hang my bag, keep my helmet on top, something that we didn't have before.
And we've also provided storage for you, so you can keep your extra cutleries or your spoons and everything over here. We also have storage on top where you can keep things which you don't use on a daily basis.
All this together on one side of the living room, I think, is working out very well.
That's the era space.
Yeah.
And everything is child-proof, you noticed? Like there are no sharp corners.
I have really liked the dining table and the dining area that they have worked out. The table is sufficient, rotated, kept at a different angle, and all three of us can sit there together. The design solution that has been given for the balcony is really good. I never imagined a compact balcony like this could have 2 chairs, a table, place for the vegetation. I mean, this is fitting perfectly.
We've provided some chairs here so that you can use it whenever you need some extra guests to host.
So I'm very happy to invite people and have a space that defines the three of us as a family and still have our own individual touches.
You guys have done it brilliant. It's excellent. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you so much. I mean, I'm so happy that we have this as our living room.